Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix APC battery backup not turning on, power, charging and fuse fix. Fix 1 is check the power outlet. Unplug the APC battery backup, then plug another device into the same outlet. If the other device doesn't work, use a different wall outlet. Plug the APC unit back in and press the power button. Second one is charge the battery. Plug the APC battery backup into a working wall outlet, then leave it charging for at least 8 hours. Press the power button again, then if it turns on, reconnect your device. Third one is reset the APC battery backup. Unplug the APC unit from the wall, then disconnect the internal battery. Then wait for 5 minutes. Reconnect the battery, plug the unit back in and press the power button. Fourth one is check for physical damage. Inspect the power cord for cuts or damage. Check the unit for a burning smell, cracks or sign of overheating. If you notice any damage, stop using the unit. Contact APC support or replace the battery backup if necessary. Fifth one is check the battery connection. Turn off the APC unit and unplug it, then open the battery compartment. Make sure the battery cables are connected securely. Close the compartment and try turning it on again. Thanks for watching.